Good evening, everyone. It's May 23rd, 2025. It's another beautiful night in Las Vegas. Check this out. It's beautiful here. I got the babies with me, Guava and Georgie. We're walking in the desert. We're gonna head over to that recliner, my office in the desert. But I do want to make this just a quick video tonight to announce that we had another victory today in my federal civil rights lawsuit in the District of Nevada in the Las Vegas Federal Court. Last November, the judge issued all of his rulings on the various motions to dismiss by the defendants in my lawsuit. I beat almost all the motions to dismiss, and to the extent that I did not beat them, the judge gave me leave to amend. And so this is what I'm telling you guys, is don't be afraid to fight for your rights in federal court. Don't be afraid to learn from your mistakes. Ask to fix them. That's your right. Those are the rules, and that's your right. Here's the recliner. Don't be afraid to fight for your rights in a federal civil rights lawsuit, even if you have to do it yourself. Today's an example of that. So the one little issue that I lost last November was a partial anti-SLAPP from my ex, the mother of my kids, the one who took them to California, abducted them, and kept them there, and has kept them there for 6 years. She filed an anti-SLAPP motion on my abusive process claim. And the federal judge made a mistake, he used the wrong standard, ambushed me, and partially granted that. And the problem with that is it opens me up to mandatory attorney's fees. We're gonna wait a second for this plane to fly overhead. I tried to catch it, but probably missed it. Don't have the best camera right now. Anyway, so of course, as soon as they got that small little victory, her attorneys wrote me this demand letter for $18,000 in attorney's fees and asked me to pay it rather than litigate the issue. My response was to file a motion for reconsideration. Now, many of you have mentioned in the comments that those are rarely granted. Aren't those hard to get? Maybe so, but if it's in the interest of justice and if your due process rights were violated, the judge has to do the right thing and rule in your favor. And if the judge doesn't, that's an appealable issue. Always be making a record for appeal. So today the judge issued his decision. We got one more plane. The judge issued his decision. He was very reflective of the mistakes that he made. He wrote a good decision, and he rescinded the granting of the anti-SLAPP. So now we're back to basically me amending the complaint, and I'm not in jeopardy of those SLAPP legal fees. For those of you who don't know, SLAPP stands for Strategic Lawsuit Against Public Participation. This was a law that was created to protect people's First Amendment rights so that the judiciary cannot be used as a weapon to squash free speech. And that's the history of this law. And so it's a way of defeating a lawsuit very early in the litigation and just put an end to it. So she initially got a partial grant just on one of my causes of action on my abusive process claim for anti-SLAPP. But today the federal judge, I'm happy to report, rescinded that. And this pro se father just peeked pants off of a scumbag attorney. So we'll leave it at that for tonight. The judge's order's in the description. Make sure you read and learn what you can. Don't be afraid to fight for your rights. Good night, everyone. Boys, I love you. I miss you. I'm very proud of you. I hope you see you soon.